Hello, welcome to my classroom. My name is Rebecca, and today I wanted to talk about a little tip regarding much and many. Many of my students get this incorrect because it can be confusing. Many is for countable nouns like students or teachers, cars, but much is used when we are talking about uncountable nouns. How much time do you have? How much experience does she have? How much water does she have? Drinks are funny. Drinks are funny because when you have liquids, we use much because it's an uncountable noun. What we can count, though, are cups. So this is where a lot of the confusion comes into. We cannot say, I want 2 waters, but we've heard that. Why? Why have we heard that? Because in the setting of a restaurant, we mean I want 2 cups of water or I want 2 glasses of water. Glasses and cups, that is countable. It is unspoken, so many people get this confused. It should be, I want 2 cups of water, I want 2 glasses of water. And we say, because water and the liquids are not countable. They are uncountable nouns. So when we talk about uncountable nouns, much or many, we have the simple way of knowing if it is uncountable or countable nouns. But when we talk about affirmative and negative sentences, it gets tricky again. So how much unemployment is in the area? We can say there's a lot of unemployment in the area. How many eggs do we need for a cake? We can say the number 4 eggs. We need 4 eggs for this cake, or we need a lot of eggs, or we don't need many eggs. So once it becomes negative, we need to think again. Uncountable or countable? But if it's affirmative, yes, we can say a lot when we're speaking. When we're speaking, we can use a lot or lots of. They are interchangeable and very common for native speakers to use. So when you want to sound more native, choose lots of or a lot of when you talk about great numbers of things. But again, once we go back to the negative and someone's asked you, how much time do you have? I don't have much time, uncountable. But if they say, how many eggs do you need? I don't have many eggs. I don't need many eggs. That is where it becomes important to pay attention to uncountable or countable. So, again, when we talk about the affirmative sentences and when we say yes, we can say a lot, a great number, and we also know that grammatically correct, it may be, I would like many eggs, but we just don't say that in English. We write that, but we don't say that. So join me in my classroom to learn how to speak more fluently and sound more like a native. I hope to see you soon, and thank you for watching.